fans, and welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft train tutorial. Today we'll be doing something we haven't done in a while, and we'll be building a freight car. And we're going to be building this Proctor 33,900 gallon tank car. So let's get right into the build here. So our first step is to take out a dark oak stair for the coupler here, and we're going to attach that up. Then a polished black stone block behind it, and two sideways dark oak fence gates underneath it. Then we'll do the first set of wheels. So we're going to come on the next block down and get a netherite wheel on each rail with an end rod axle. Then we're going to take polished deep slate stairs upside down in a back-to-back T-shaped pattern 3 blocks wide. Then another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Once that's done, we'll do our bottom beam of the car so we have our length. So on this top middle, we're going to put a row of polished black stone, another 36 blocks long in total. And that way, with the other polished black stone we already put on in the beginning, it's 37 blocks long in total. Once we have that, we'll come 1 block in from the end underneath here, and we'll get a netherite wheel on each rail with an end rod axle. Then same as before, under here, we're going to put upside down polished deep slate stairs in a back-to-back T-shaped pattern 3 blocks wide. Then another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then come down here, take out a dark oak stair for the coupler on this end, and then put 2 sideways dark oak fence gates under here. Now come through on the sides of the truck, everywhere there's a wheel, put a hopper, and then open 2 dark oak fence gates on the inside of them in the middle. Same thing over here. Then we'll do this end, hoppers in front of these wheels, open 2 dark oak fence gates, and then of course do this side as well. Next, on top of the end here, we're going to come out by 2 polished black stone slabs, then back 2 and back in 1. Same thing on this side, so we're basically making a square with the center open on each side. Then we're going to do it at this end as well, so out 2, back 2, and in 1. And then same thing over here. Then we're going to take polished black stone stairs and put a full row of upside down outward facing stairs on the side of this center beam, and bring it all the way down to the other end. Then we'll do the same thing on this side, a full row of upside down outward facing polished black stone stairs on this side here. Then we're going to switch over to polished black stone block, put 3 across the middle here, and then we're going to come all the way down each side with polished black stone block. When we get right here, we'll come 3 across right here. Now on this top layer, starting from the end, we're going to put 4 upside down polished black stone stairs, then 2 vertical black stone walls. Repeat it at this end, so 4 stairs, 2 walls vertical. Then do the other side, 4 stairs, 2 walls. And 1 more corner to go. 4 upside down stairs, 2 walls. In front of the wall, put 6 upside down stairs, then 6 on this side. Come down here and do the same thing at this end. So 6 here, and 6 on this side. Then we'll put 2 black stone walls in front of the stairs on each side again, and same thing over here. Then, in between here, we'll come in from each side and use our stairs until we find the exact center. Then put 2 walls right there. Then we'll come over to the other side in this center, 2 black stone walls, and fill the rest of these gaps with upside down stairs. Then we'll switch to polished black stone block, come 5 across this end, and bring it all the way down this side. When we get down here, come back across this end, and then bring it all the way up this side. Then we're going to put 3 on the top middle up here. Come down to this end, and 3 on the top middle down here. Then we're going to switch back to polished blackstone stairs, and now we're going to be doing a full row of stairs outward facing, right side up. And bring it down to this end. Then same thing over here, a full row of right side up, outward facing, polished blackstone stairs. Now come on top, on the center, we'll put a full row of polished blackstone blocks, end to end, on this top middle. Then on the outside edge of it, a full row of outward facing, polished blackstone stairs, and bring it down to the other end. Then come do the other side, same thing, a full row of outward facing, polished blackstone stairs, and bring it down to the other end here. Now we're going to come down to the left hand side of the car, above where these walls are. So on the 5th block in, we're going to knock out 6 of these stairs, and we're going to change them to smooth quartz stairs for where the logo is. Do the same thing over here, so come to the left hand side at this end, above where this first set of walls is, knock out 6 of these stairs, and change them to smooth quartz. Now we're going to come 1 block to the left of this second set of polished blackstone walls from the middle, and we're going to put a chiseled polished blackstone on the top middle, just like that. Then a dark oak trapdoor above it. Then we're going to start 1 block from the right of this, and we're going to put a row of 7 dark oak trapdoors coming forward on this first set of stairs. Skip a block, and then put 1 more. Then we're going to copy the pattern of trapdoors on this side. Then behind these trapdoors, another brick fence in the middle, come out to the side by 2, and bring it forward till it's aligned with the front of these trapdoors. Then come back here, come out by 2 to this side, and bring it forward until it's aligned with these trapdoors. Then we're going to put 5 across this end here, and 1 coming forward on the side. Same thing on this side. Then we're going to come where this gap is and knock out these 2 stairs, change them to polished blackstone blocks. We'll do the same thing on this other side. Then we're going to put 2 rails coming up so it looks like a ladder. Same thing here. Then on the side here, we'll put 2 ladders coming down, knock out this stair, put 2 more polished blackstone blocks coming down, and 2 more ladders. And we'll repeat it over here. So come underneath here, take out this stair, put 2 polished blackstone blocks coming down, and then a column of ladders. Then we're going to take end rods, start up on here, and we're going to run horizontal end rods all the way down, just skipping over where these polished blackstone walls and this ladder is. And just keep bringing it down right to the other end. Once that side's done, we'll do the other side. So same thing down here, just run horizontal end rods in between all of these walls. You could also use horizontal lightning rods or even dark oak fence gates if you didn't like the lit up look here. Now come to the end of the car here. In these 2 gaps, put sideways dark oak fence gates. Then we're going to crouch, turn this way, and on this side, put a grindstone for the brake reservoir. Then above that, we need to close a jungle trap door for the brake wheel. Then we're going to come in and grab an emerald block and an item frame. Right here, put an item frame, emerald block in it, turn it so it's a diamond. That's for the little hazmat placard. Then across this end, we're going to put 5 nether brick fences. Then we'll come down to this end. 5 fences across here. On this bottom middle, an item frame, put in an emerald block, turn it so it's a diamond. Then dark oak fence gates in either of those 2 holes. Then we need to do the hazmat on the side here, so we're going to hang an item frame on the side here. Actually, it needs to be up 1 right here. Same thing, put in an emerald block, turn it so it's a diamond. We come down to the other end on this side and do the same thing, an item frame, emerald, and turn it. Next, we need to do the bottom details here. So we're going to come underneath in the middle of this section between these middle 2 walls. In the very center, put 2 black stone slabs. Then run a line of dark oak fence gates all the way to the end where the wheel is. And then same thing on this side here. Now come on this right hand end of the car, 1 block in from the end, and we're going to put 2 birch buttons on the side. Come over to the right hand end on this side and do the same thing, 1 block in, 2 birch buttons. Then we're going to take out the 2 stairs above the buttons and change them to smooth quartz. And then of course, same thing down here, change these 2 stairs to smooth quartz. Now we need to make some banners, so come into a loom with a black banner and white dye. We're going to put a horizontal on the top, bottom, and middle. Switch to black dye and put a black border around it. Then we're going to go to a new banner, white dye, put a vertical in the center, switch to black dye, make the top half black, and a horizontal on bottom. Then switch to light gray dye, put a border around it, and a horizontal in the middle. Then we're going to come up starting from the left under these stairs, put 3 of these banners, and then move over 1 and a birch button. Do the same thing on this end, 3 of these banners, move over 1 and a birch button. Then we'll come down to this other end with our other banner we made, and to the left of this button, we're going to hang 1 of these banners. Then we have to do it on the other side, of course. So come over here to this side and hang 1 right here. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Proctor tank car here. I hope that you've enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.